It's a practice that goes by many different names: refinish, refurbish, renew, and restore. No matter what you call it, they share one thing in common, and that's passion. When that passion is also your business and livelihood, it can come with concerns, things like overhead, profit margin, and shipping costs. That's where uShip comes in. Tap into uShip's nationwide network of feedback-rated transporters who specialize in handling large and bulky items with care. Whether you're bringing in source materials to your shop or sending out finished projects to your buyers, affordable, reliable, and speedy delivery keeps costs down and maximizes profit. Even bake in transport costs to offer free shipping. Inbound or outbound, uShip makes it fast, easy, and affordable to ship your passion and grow your business nationwide. Sign up now and get started for free.